Garage door cables that are frayed like this are serious business. If you have cables that are currently on your garage door that look frayed, then you want to get them replaced. When dealing with garage door cables, the idea is that they are connected to the torsion spring system. Now the springs hold the weight of the door, but the cables are actually connected to the bottom door brackets, and that's what's lifting the door up and down. Now, if you have a nick or a bend to your garage door cables, you want to get them replaced. In fact, failing to replace garage door cables with a bend like that means that they could start to fray. Now, replacing garage door cables does not have to be a costly process, yet you do want to make sure that the overall health of the garage door is also inspected when replacing these cables to the torsion spring system. So the whole point of this video is that a safety inspection should be performed on a periodic basis. By checking your garage door cables, you can make sure that your door is working safe, because